All right, what is up, guys? We are back. Obviously we're in my new place. So I don't have a garage for unboxings and stuff. But we do have a bedroom, and we're still gonna do the unboxing. So we ordered. Let's get into this because I haven't done a Stunt daily unboxing in a long time, actually. So let's actually just get into it. What's up, Blazing Sam? You gonna unbox this with me? You gonna unbox this with me, bud? Oh, now Taco wants to unbox it. Huh? We unboxing shit? Watch out. Oh, first thing Taco went to. Watch out, Bean. Get out of the way. Yes. Oh, that looks so good. I freaking love that. Yes. First class. Hell yeah. That looks fucking sick. Alright, we're gonna put that there. Bean, you good boy. Good boy, little taquito. Alright, so I got... Yes! You ain't no killer! Hell yeah, I was so excited for these shorts. These came out so nice. The quality of the designs and everything were literally like so nice that I could not resist. So I ended up ordering 2 pairs. And then I have to go back on the site pretty soon and get the gray pair soon. So there will be more unboxings coming. So just stay tuned for those. We'll keep on digging through this. Yes! Oh my god. And he knows me so well, bro. Any block, any lot. Hell yes. Oh, I'm so excited that he sent those. I'm still going to go on the site and buy more. But because I just like giving him my money. Like, if you guys have not checked out Stunt Daily, you guys gotta go check out Stunt Daily. He has so much awesome quality products, always coming out with new stuff. Please, get off my shorts. Get off my shorts. Get off my shorts. You know, get them all hairy. He's always coming out with new stuff. Always taking like recommendations. If you guys want, like, I keep on telling him socks because I really want a dope pair of socks from Stunt Daily. So if you guys haven't checked them out, make sure you go and check them out. They are by far my favorite merch business, and he's just a really good, genuine guy. So if you guys haven't checked it out, check it out. And we are going to keep on going. So we got a first class shirt. We got 2 pairs of the black You Ain't No Killer shorts. You got one. I got 1 any block, any lot shorts in gray. We are going to figure out what this is. Hell yeah! And this is the shirt. Hell yes, dude! That came out so. I'm so psyched for this. These came out so well. Oh my god, the design, like that's his bike. You can tell by the designs on the bike, and it's like a full wrap. But that is dope. That came out so sick. Hell yeah. So we'll put that here. Blaze, what are you doing? And then, and sadly that is it. But anything's better than nothing. And I always love doing unboxing and stuff like that. Yes! Okay. Yeah. Alright. Go hit Stunt Daily up and tell him how dope he is, because he knows me so well that I did not order this or this, and he sent him anyways. Like, you guys need to go check him out ASAP. Hit him up. Do whatever. Like his posts. Comment. Just blow his shit up. Because this guy is the man. Like, look at this. This came out so well. This was one of the collabs they did not too long ago with the Sick Shop, and I've been wanting it so bad, and he knows because of everything. I love everything Rasta, so that's so sick to see. I'm so psyched to actually try these out, get some pictures on the bikes with them, and stuff like that. But for the first unboxing in a while, I was glad that this went pretty well. Next time I'm going to have a whole bunch of stickers and probably some more shorts, and there's another collab tee that I'm probably going to get. But yeah, if you guys liked any of this stuff, go check it out. It's on the site right now. All this stuff is on the site, plus more. He's always coming out with new stuff, always asking like what people want, you know what I mean? We got I got Kennedy, my wife, I got her a windbreaker, a women's windbreaker not too long ago, and that went right off the site. So if you guys want this stuff, you got to get it fast. It goes super fast, it sells super fast, sells out every time. So thank you guys for watching, as always. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are enjoying your summer. And really, I think that's it for today. But thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. And always remember to stunt daily and stay safe.